Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to find archived messages on Android. So if you archive some messages on your Android phone and now you want to find them, either to delete or restore them, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to find archived messages on your Android phone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Messages app on your Android. Click on the profile icon at the top right here. Then, under your profile, locate and click on Archived. Now, if you see all your archived messages, now for you to delete the archived messages permanently, press and hold it. Then, if you see the trash icon at the top right, click on it to delete it. Then, if you see delete this conversation, this is permanent and cannot be undone. If you want to delete the archived message, just click on delete and then you're good. However, if you want to restore the archived message back to your inbox, all you need to do is press the archived message, select all the archived message you have here. Then click on the archive button. Then you should see two conversations unarchived. Now, if you go back to your messages, then you should see the unarchived messages and then you're good. So that is basically how to find archived messages on Android. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.